and welcome back. Today I'm going to be spending some time with you talking about how best you can treat atopic eczema or atopic dermatitis with emollients. Atopic eczema can appear anywhere on the skin, and symptoms would include dry, scaly, itchy, and inflamed skin. The skin can become thickened, it can ooze, and sometimes it can turn pussy, especially when an infection develops. It can turn red and the skin can be raised, especially when there is a lot of scratching. Scratching can cause cracks in the skin as well. Using a moisturizer or an emollient and following a strict skincare routine is the best way to treat atopic eczema or atopic dermatitis. Emollients come in different forms and you can purchase them from your local community pharmacy. They come in the form of creams, they come in the form of ointments, and they come in the form of lotions as well. Today, very briefly, I'm going to show you the difference between the different kinds of emollients. That is the cream, the ointment, and the lotion, and how best these can be used. That is, who can use them and when they can be used. First of all, let's talk about the lotion. The lotion is made up of mainly water and is about 80% water, very thin and very light. It is applied mainly on hairy skin and on broken skin. This is how the lotion looks like. When you have to use the lotion, you need to make a hole in your palm and pour it in. And this is how the lotion looks like. It is very fluidy and very light. It is easily absorbed. And also when you have to apply an emollient or a moisturizer on a large surface area, the lotion is the best one to use. The lotion is also suitable for when the skin is damaged. That is, when there are cracks in the skin, it's very inflamed and red, when it is oozing, or when it is pussy. Now let's move on to the cream. This is an example of a cream. The cream is very thick and you need to use a finger to take it out of the container. It normally takes the shape of the container. It is made up of about 50% water and 50% oil. So the cream is a bit oilier than the lotion. Again, this is how the cream looks like. The cream is also quickly absorbed and is suitable for daytime use, and is suitable for dry, scaly skin as well. Now let's move on to ointments. And this is an example of an ointment. They are oil-based and they are very greasy, and they also take the shape of the container, as you can see. This is how the ointment looks like. It is very greasy, very oily. Even though the ointment is very greasy and oily, it's suitable for extremely dry skin and thickened skin because it tends to hold the moisture of the skin. Ointments are suitable for use at night, and avoid using an ointment when the skin is weeping. Before you use an ointment, a cream, or a lotion to treat atopic eczema, make sure you speak to your community pharmacist so they can advise you appropriately. Now let's move on to how to apply an ointment, a cream, or a lotion. There are so many brands of ointments, creams, and lotions for the treatment of atopic eczema. So it's appropriate to find out what works best for you. Speak to your community pharmacist if you're not sure which one to purchase, and they would be able to advise you appropriately. Let's answer this question. When and how best should I apply an emollient when I'm suffering from atopic eczema? It is best to apply an emollient at least 3 to 4 times a day if you're suffering from atopic eczema. Emollients help soothe the skin and prevents itching and dryness. The best time to apply it is after washing your hands, after taking a shower, or after taking a bath, because that is when the skin is drier and needs some moisture. Make sure you apply an emollient immediately after dabbing or patting yourself dry with a towel, because that is when it is best absorbed by the skin. And anytime you apply an emollient after taking a shower or a bath, allow it some time, maybe 2 to 3 minutes, for it to be absorbed by the skin before you dress up. And if you have to apply another kind of treatment as well as your emollient, make sure you leave some time between applications. For example, if you have to use a steroid cream as well as an emollient, make sure you are doing the applications 20 minutes apart. Apply your steroid first and then wait for about 20 minutes before you apply your cream or your lotion or your ointment. This will allow you to get the maximum benefit from both applications. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't go without giving it a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. And if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please remember to hit on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Please leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you once again for your time today, and I hope to see you soon in my next one. Bye for now.